I'm talking about. Let's meet the drivers from our first heat right now. We got number 88 making his way out here. Robert Senyuk, the 28-year-old star roofer from Saskatoon. He's brought to you by Madge's Roofing, Cliff Auto, Platinum Flooring, and Cal's Welding. Number 143 is out there, Bill the Boss Senyuk. Brought to you by Cliff's Auto Recycling, Cal's Welding, and Platinum Flooring. Number 69 pulls out there, Danny Schrader out of North Battleford, the 43-year-old 9-year veteran of Demolition Derby. Battleford Flooring, Smith Rad, and Luck Heating and Plumbing. Everybody needs a little luck. Lucky number 13 is here, Tyler Gamble out of Beardy, 29 years old with that ponytail, flapping in the breeze. Brought to you by RKP Towing. We got number 47. I'm going to save that one for just a moment. I want to talk about 5150 out there. Daniel Senyuk, it is like a family war out here with these guys. The Platinum Flooring owner, Cliff's Auto Recycling, and they're the last one to introduce. Let me just ask you a question before I say the name of this driver. How many fans of girl power do we have in the house tonight? Because we got number 47, 15 years she's been out here Demolition Derbying. Ladies and gentlemen, brought to you by Arson Entertainment, please welcome number 47, Darcy Bonsan. The track is set. We got 6 of the best demolition cars on the planet ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one way to get things going out here, and that's with you to help us count it down from 5 to 1. But first, let me look at the second most experienced track official on the planet out here. I'm talking about Daniel Epp, as I check with him to be sure that we are ready to go. Looking back and forth here, are you ready there, sir? Let's count it down from 5. Here we go, as loud as you can. 5, 4, let me hear you. Louder, louder. Here we go. Crowd is water here, coming nicely. Oh my, what a hit to start things off from Tyler Gamble right in the center of the ring, and he goes back the other way. Hard shot right there into Darcy, known for the giving to the young blonde girl with 15 years of driving experience. Sweep the backside around it like a battering ram. And hard shot, 2 shots left back and forth. All the cars still running. You got to make a hit every 60 seconds. Watch for the red flags to come down. But so far, we got 6 out here. Only 2 will go on to our final. Blasting it across in front. Make sure you keep your eyes on the ring for flying debris, as this has the most impact of any demolition derby in Canada. Number 69, doesn't look like he's going anywhere. Schroeder in the Hulk machine, but he's under the count. Nice bit of work right there. Darcy Bonsan. Good piece of work right there. And a hard shot. Oh, it's like a chess match out here as they come across here like they're playing checkers. 143, the Boss, trying to get unhooked from number 13, Tyler Gamble. The impact of these cars sounds like a subwoofer for long shot. The Boss trying to back it up right here. Darcy Bonsan right there, trying to come across in front. Loveland back wheel. On the driver's side, Bonson's machine. Gamble, not much left in the backside of that car as he's scraping the bumper. And gives a pump right there to Robert Senyuk. Oh, look at the moves right here from Darcy Bonsan as she swings the backside of that car around like a bat She's coming back around, wants to get back as good as she can get. Chasing him back across here now. Gives him a shot right there. Plows him into the blocks. Oh, there you go. Give it as good as she can get. Darcy Ponson fashion here. Daniel Senu, the boss here, trying to get things going. Will that flag come back down? Looks like he's trying to hotwire the car. Calls out one hit and run as he's hoping he can get it to run to hit again. Senu working behind here now like a snake to the grass, and that's it. There you go. Daniel Senu. Darcy Ponson will carry on to the final. For once, we got girl power going to the final. Daniel Senu as well. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause for all of the stars here at Crash and Bash, coming out here, putting hundreds of hours into these cars to destroy them for you. Let me hear a round of applause for our drivers. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to let the rockin' part of Rockin' Wreckin' going. Here's Long Shot.